Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are enjoying at home with your family. Today I am going to show you a process which is important especially in this COVID-19 period. That is how we disinfect our veggies and fruits after bringing them from market. Actually, we bring vegetables and fruits once in a week. So these are the vegetables and fruits we bought from market today. We will be disinfecting them. So for that we are taking 2 tubs of water with hot water in one tub and normal water in the other tub. In the hot water we are mixing turmeric, salt and small amount of vinegar. First my mother is cleaning the vegetables in the hot water and then transferring them into the normal water so that any virus or bacteria present on the vegetables and fruits will demolish. She does the same with every vegetable and fruit. She even washes the keys, the vehicle keys which we use to bring the vegetables and fruits. After resting for some time, my mother is cleaning the vegetables and fruits thoroughly in the normal water and then she is arranging them on a dry cloth to make sure that the water will evaporate. So this is the dust that was present on the vegetables and these are the covers we bought the vegetables and fruits. We will be disposing them and the fruits and vegetables are almost dry. So we will need another big dry cloth to wipe the vegetables and fruits and also a small dry cloth. We'll be wiping the vegetables and fruits with this small cloth and then arrange them on the big cloth. My mother wipes every vegetable and fruit at least 2 to 4 times to make sure there is no water present on them, not at all. She wipes everything, even milk. She is wiping every one vegetable. She has started wiping them really fast now. You can see she's even wiping the lemons and the amlas. Now almost all of them are done wiping. Only these leafy vegetables are remained. You can see how carefully she's wiping them. To make sure that they are not damaged. Now only these corianders are left. After that, all of them will be wiped or done. So all of them are done, you can see. Now actually we won't store the milk like that, and actually we boil them and then dispose the covers and store the milk in fridge. So now my mother is going to boil the milk and then store them in the fridge. She's now cutting the milk packets and then pouring them into the vessel so that she can boil them and store in the fridge.